Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So today we just got back from Savannah. We're at my parents' house right now, but we are actually about to head out and get some lunch. It is 1:50 p.m. and today actually Drewski, my girl Drew, is downtown Atlanta. She is painting a live mural today, so me and Devin are going to go support her. I didn't know if I was going to be able to go. I actually told her that I wasn't going to be able to make it because we were coming back from Savannah. I didn't know what time I was going to get back, and I had some work things lined up for this afternoon, but it kind of fell through and it's like rescheduled and everything, so I have time to play around a little bit. I got a little time to play with, so I was just like, Devin, let's just go support Drew. You know, I would love to see her in her element, like painting this mural anyway. I just cannot wait to have her in the vlog. So yeah, we're gonna go support her. So I decided to start a new vlog. I love that, you know, I made a whole content schedule and then my life just like started to get really spontaneous this week, and I'm like, okay, impromptu trip to Savannah, okay, friends are out doing stuff and I get to go, you know, be outside, and it's such a beautiful day outside today, you guys. So I'm just like, I'm really excited. So I hope you guys are excited to come along with me. And yeah, we're gonna get food first. Here's lunch. Yum. Hibachi. Love it. So I have arrived. I'm just now realizing that I could have parked a lot closer, but I guess I needed the exercise. Sir, what's happening here? I guess I needed the exercise. So I'm just gonna take this little walk here. It'll probably be easier for me to get out though, because I parked close to an exit. Right at an exit, so I'll probably be able to beat all the traffic. But we're about to go pop up on Drewski. We gonna surprise her because she don't know I'm coming. I didn't call her at all or anything. I figured she would be busy, so let's go see. Devin's on his way. So yeah, see, if I would have parked over here, I would have had to fight with all these cars to get out. Yeah, no, I think I did a good job with parking, because this literally was a 2-minute walk across the parking lot. So yes, I'm excited. I'm just so happy that there was parking. What the heck? Y'all know anytime we go somewhere in the city, it's like, okay, but is there parking? Do we have parking? Y'all, this is so freaking cool. I'm looking for her. Can't see anyone's face at the moment because they're so focused. Where is Drew? Where is she? I need to find her ASAP. I found her. Look at this girl. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Look. Surprise. I'm here. My girl Drew is killing it. Drew. This is like a whole masterpiece, Drew. What is life? How do you do this? It was hard. Yes, Drew. Her and her little gas mask. It's real cute too. We got some margaritas. Oops. Come on, Drew. Look at the eyes. Yes. Got pizza. My girl is ripping off the tape. That's the end. Oh my gosh, Drew. Yes, Drew. It's so cute. While we're stepping,
yes, that's my friend.
That's my friend.
That's my friend.
Y'all are so cute. Cuties. Aw, yes, BFFs. I'm screaming, covering up the whole artwork. I love them. Another fellow SCAD grad. Yeah. Looks good. Hello, it's me. Today is a shoot day, okay? I'm looking real sleepy. I'm looking real crusty. I'm looking just I don't really like how I'm looking right now. I'm looking real tired, okay? I need to wake up a little bit. I got some tea. I'm trying to just like, you know, pump myself up, get myself going. But today is a shoot day. We're shooting my birthday lookbook. So it is a full day of shooting. And I'm feeling like I need to get myself going. It's 9:48 in the morning. I just pulled up to my makeup appointment, so it's at 10. So I had a few minutes to go ahead and start the vlog. Your girl is tired, your girl is burnt out, your girl is like on her last leg, but I'm almost to the finish line. My birthday is coming. I'm gonna be taking a little vacation for my birthday, so I just know like I have to just keep pushing through this little time because I know that it's gonna be worth it once I get to take a full break. So I just wanted to start the vlog, show y'all the before. Here's the before. My hair is looking crazy. It's time for me to dye my hair again. I had to soak off my acrylics last night. I haven't found a nail shop near my house yet, so I just been trying to find a nail shop, but I'm like, this is kind of too important for me to be trying a new nail shop and it doesn't go well. So I'm going to be wearing press-ons for this shoot because I know those will never let me down. And I actually painted my own toes because also it was just like awkward timing. Like today is what, March 4th. My birthday is on the 16th, so I was gonna get my nails and stuff done the weekend before that, which is basically like next weekend. So I'm like, it does not make sense for me to even go to the nail shop right now. My nails are not gonna be super fresh if I get them done now for my birthday, but they're not gonna be like ready for a fill, you know. It's not gonna be time for me to go back to the nail shop, so I didn't want to like do that because I'm like, that doesn't make sense. So my eyes are so puffy. Jesus help me. Yeah, it's about to be that time too, y'all. I have like the worst allergies, so once like March and April start rolling around, all this is just down bad. So yeah, that's my update. I'm gonna put my press-ons on once my makeup is done, once I go back home, because I thought about it and I was just like, I'm gonna have to put my jewelry on, and you know, I just I'm not good with the jewelry with the long nails. I've never been good at that, even when I used to wear long nails. So I'm just like, let me just relax. Let me just, you know, let me just wait to put on my nails. And I just was so tired last night anyway. Like I didn't get done with all of this stuff that I had to do to prep until like 12:30 a.m. Like I'm like, girl, you know you gotta get up. You know you got a long day. You need to go to sleep. I didn't go to sleep until about 1 something. I have not eaten yet, but I do have my tea. I'm gonna try to drink my tea. Hopefully it's not too hot. I have 9 minutes until my appointment and I literally just have to walk inside. So yeah, you guys, today is just gonna be like a little bit of the behind the scenes of my birthday shoot. I'm excited. We're gonna be doing video and pictures today. It's just gonna be a full day of shooting. I'm excited. I'm gonna try to be active on Instagram as well because I need to be active on Instagram. I'm still in the process of rebranding, like doing that whole rebrand thing that I've been talking about. I haven't updated the website as of yet. So yeah, we're getting things in order so that we can get the website updated. I'm excited. I'm ready. I'm pumped. Today we're going for like a smoky look. I haven't done like a smoky eye, like a dark, you know, like dark browns, blacks, gold. You know, like nude is the vibe, so I'm just like letting her take that and run with it. But I'm like, I really want something smoky. I really want like to channel that inner Kim Kardashian, you know. Keep on watching if you want to see a transformation, because baby girl, it's gonna be a transformation, okay? A full transformation from the makeup to the hair to the outfit. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you guys with a full beat, okay? With a full beat. Hey y'all, so I'm home now. It is 12:43. This is what my face is looking like. It's giving me very much 90s with the dark lip liner and the light lip gloss. We're gonna shoot outside first since we're trying to save daylight. You know, we're trying to get the sun. It's so beautiful outside today. Like today could not be a more perfect day to do this. So I'm very excited. I'm very grateful. So I went to Kroger. I had to get gas and I also got some sushi and I'm very excited about it, y'all. Sushi is like my new jam. I had, you know, dibbled and dabbled into sushi when I was in college. I would only eat a spicy chicken roll. That was it. I didn't know anything about sushi, but now I'm like, ooh, you know, I like shrimp tempura, I like shrimp crunch rolls, you know, I'm trying new things. So yeah, this is my first time getting this tray from Kroger. It's a crunchy shrimp tempura. I'll show it to you guys, but I'm very excited to eat this because I'm hungry, and I'm just so happy that I'm eating and drinking water and stuff, because y'all know how it can get on shoot days. I've been telling y'all this. I'm like, yeah, I don't want to starve myself. Like, I don't want to feel like I'm so busy and so all over the place that I don't eat. So I'm just happy to be eating. Got water, everything. I'm doing great. I'm feeling great. My mom's gonna be on her way in a few minutes. We're gonna meet Devin. Well, I'm gonna meet Devin around 3. So my mom's gonna do my hair when she gets here. We're gonna lay my hair down. We're gonna put on some Crown Royal extensions. I'm excited. Ah! Yeah, so she had to give me a wig cap because obviously my hair is red now, pink, whatever color it is. So here's my sushi. It looks really good, honestly. So I'm about to smash this. I have not even got back on the camera since I put my wig on. Ah! So I'm wearing Crown Royal extensions. You guys know I have my own hairline and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, obsessed. I'm trying to make sure my stones are still intact. Y'all, my makeup artist never misses. Okay, she never misses. I don't care how much I think that these things are gonna fall off, they're not gonna fall off. Like, I would deliberately have to like take them off, but my eye has been watering today, so I've been like really worried about it, but they're still intact. Please get into this hair. I am obsessed with it. Okay, period. I will have all of my hair links down below. I know the sun is like a little bit bright, but y'all can't tell me right now that I'm not Beyonce. You just would not be able to tell me that. Okay, I look like Beyonce, I feel like Beyonce, I am her, she is me. Okay, period. I am having my Beyonce moment. I really wanted color for my birthday. My mom made it happen. I love my mom so much. I'm just so excited. So I'm just waiting on Devin, honestly, because I don't want to change, because I'm like, okay, well, I could probably just change so that when Devin gets here, we can just get right to it, because we have a lot of things to shoot and not a lot of time. But I'm just like, my outfits, y'all, they are so uncomfortable. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. All of my dresses are sequin dresses and they're very much itchy, like even to the point where I think I took one off and it like is scratching my whole arm. So my arm was burning for a while. I don't see like any cuts on it or anything, but I definitely felt a little graze. Okay, so I'm like, dang, I don't really want to get dressed and then Devin is not here and I have to sit in this outfit until he gets here, until he gets set up, until we get ready, until we, you know, figure out where we want to shoot first. So I'm just like, let me just relax. Everything's gonna work out however it's gonna work out. I know the lighting is really bad, but can't miss these moments. I'm like, while I'm waiting for him, I can at least update the vlog and put on some gloss, because I have not put on any of my actual glosses yet. Ooh, y'all see that? Y'all, that was one dip. Like, are you serious? That was one dip. That was one dip. I mean, I could be extra and put another dip, but we don't really need another dip. Granted, I did probably have still a little bit of something left on my lips, but y'all just watch me put that on. Y'all just watch me put that on. Credit where credit is due, okay, period. My face is snatched. Gloss is on point. Hair is on point. Lashes are on point. I am wearing Smudge lashes. We just stacked 2 pairs on top of each other for extra drama. So yeah, I'm gonna take some selfies now. I'm freaking hot. I'm hot. It's hot outside. Oh my god, sister's FaceTiming me. So yeah, let me go. Devin is loosening the straps on my dress. Y'all, the amount of pain that I just endured to shoot what was my favorite birthday outfit. It's not really the dress, it was just the shoes. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to be coming out of this. Shout out Devin, because Devin didn't know what was going on. He looking at me like, are you okay? I'm like, no, my feet are on fire, I can't take it. But we finally got through it, so I need to hurry up and change it to my next dress. I'm scared because I feel like my feet are just done for the day, and I still have 2 more shoes that are like not really that comfortable to walk in. So we'll see how this goes. so tired. So it is 2 in the morning. Yeah, it was Tipsy Thursday, so we got lit. I stopped vlogging, like the vlog got all over the place because we were out, we were shooting, and we were trying to catch the sunlight. You know, we weren't trying to lose the sunlight. So I was just like kind of moving fast and rushing and trying to change clothes, and all of my dresses were sequin dresses and they were scratching me, you know, like I got all these scratches on my arms. Like, oh my god, sis. They're cute, but you got to be careful when you put them on, because if you just start, you know, moving around too much and rubbing against them too much, it'll really scratch the hell out of you. Okay, anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this crazy all over the place vlog. Shout out to Devin for taking all the pictures and filming all the video clips for me and editing the videos, all that good stuff. So he is in there watching YouTube videos right now, y'all. I am about to have to tackle this makeup. I don't want to take it off, y'all. It's so beautiful. I love the way that I look today. I do not want to take this makeup off. I do not want to take this wig off, but this wig is, you know, it's time to come off. Y'all know how when you wear a wig for too long, or it's been on all day and your head is like, sis, can I breathe? Especially me, because I'm bald. Okay, I ain't got no hair under here, barely. So I'm definitely not used to having the wig on like all day. But I think that this is gonna be my look for this weekend, because I'm gonna be in Savannah hosting an event again. I'm gonna be hosting the exposure tour again, but we're gonna be doing the Savannah tour. It's gonna be the last stop on their tour, so I'm very excited. So just stay tuned for more videos. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.